Did you know that more than 1 billion people worldwide are living with mental health conditions? Millions more are struggling with addictions, chronic diseases, even broken families. This world is suffering. But I firmly believe that God is real and that Jesus Christ is still healing, restoring lives, and delivering His people. If you have ever doubted what I'm saying, watch these testimonies. Maybe they might change your ideas concerning God.
There was a time hospital was my second house, if not the first, because of illness. I was sick. I was not able to urinate without this device. And it was limiting me in my everyday life because I had to pay attention to waves. At the airport by the security check, at work with the conveyor system. But as I met the Lord Jesus Christ, this horror just stopped in my life because He healed me. And since then, I don't need this device anymore to urinate. And I thank the Lord for that visitation. If He did it for me, He is able to do it for you too. So just trust in Him.
I chose to give my testimony in nature because for the longest time, nature has been my refuge whenever I was dealing with thoughts of sadness, of depression, of hopelessness. And I've been a Christian since I was a teen, but despite that, I was battling with suicidal thoughts, with depression, as I said, with bulimia, with fear of people. And I was living with these things and I was covering them up with makeup, with nice clothes, with a smile, because I didn't really believe in my heart that the Lord Jesus was able to heal a heart that had been broken since childhood. But the Lord did it, the Lord healed me, the Lord set me free from depression and from all those bad thoughts that were like a dark cloud over my life. And today I can say that I am free. Today I wake up in the morning with joy, with hope for my future, with expectations, and I can say that I owe it all to the Lord Jesus.
The Lord Jesus is the same yesterday, today, and forever. And there is no situation or problem beyond Him. His grace is available. His mercy is waiting for you. This is the time of your visitation. Don't hesitate. Sign up now.